Thank you for joining me today and welcome to a new video. Today I just want to do a quick makeup look for the quarantine blues. To get over the quarantine blues, I just want to do something fun and colorful, and let's get started. I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona Tropic palette. It has wonderful fun colors, mainly these ones up here. And so I might throw in colors from a different palette. I also have the Misunderstood ColourPop palette that also has some fun looks. I really love this palette. It's really one of my favorites. So let's get with it. Alright, so I'm just going to start with adding a base to my eyes. I'm going to use a silicone brush, and I just want to do a white base. Why am I doing a white base? Because I would like the colors to stick more, to be brighter. And one way to make colors be brighter is to add white as a base. So I'm gonna blend this really quick with my fingers. Sometimes it's easier, and I need a mirror, closer mirror for this. If you find you need to clean up, just have a wipe ready. I have my Honest Beauty wipes here because I'm starting to look like a clown, and that is not a look I'm going for, and I hope you're not going for either. So I'm just gonna wipe clean with this little wipe here. Just make sure I have all of that wiped. Whoa, missed a spot. Alright, so that should be ready to... Alright, I have my white base on and I want to set it now. So I'm going to take Pastel Melon. I'm going to take Pastel Melon on my eyes to set the shade. See how much brighter it is? It's crazy. So I'm going to go in with a darker color. So I'm going in with Laguna, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. So we got ourselves a little arch going, so I'm just gonna wipe. I'm wiping to connect it to the eyebrow line, right about there. So there's that. Now I'm gonna go in with a brighter color. I'm gonna take this and maybe some Mehron. I really like it because I really like the Mehron solution because it really makes bright colors glide on so much more intensely. And for this one, I really want to go with the green one, so I'm going to go with Exotic. Just gonna wipe it right in the center. And I would really like an intense green. I'm going to use my Dose of Colors little green here, green shadow, green pigment. I'm going to open the lid, and you can see it's like this. So I'm just going to dip my brush in there. Because the brush is wet, it's really going to bring out that intensity. Okay, that did a really good job. I'm gonna go in with an intenser color, which is this Tiger Lily blue, and I really like this blue. So I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to take Pastel Melon and I'm just going to buff it at the top, just kind of blend out the blues and the harsh lines. All right. With that, I'm just going to go in with a really intense black, and I'm going to line my waterline on my outers. So I'm going to use this Ulta gel liner in Blackout, and I'm going to go ahead and just line my waterline. Now I'm going to line with a liquid liner. This is an Essence extra long lasting, and I'm just going to start at the ends. Then I'm going to go back in with the blue. Now I'm going to do the eyebrows. Now I'm going to continue with the face, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Porcelain. Just going to dab it on my face. So I'm going to add my Pat McGrath concealer, which I really like. Just going to dab it down here. And for this, I'm actually going to take a brush to blend it into the area, because I didn't film this part, but basically what I'm doing is I contoured here and I contoured here, and I like the blendable because I can focus where I put the contour, and then I contoured here, and I like it because it gives me really good control of where I put that contour, and I can feel with my fingers the contours of my face. I'm going to use these e.l.f. lashes, which I think are pretty dramatic. But first I'm going to apply mascara. So I'm going to use my Essence mascara. I have no idea how this is going to go, but I'm going to go ahead and try this. And this is tough. Okay. I'm just going to look down. Alright, lashes are on. Now, to finish off the look with some blush, I'm going to take my blush brush and this pink blush from Dior, Backstage Dior. Just going to hit those cheek points. And there you have it. Not done. I need lips. Alright, I'm going to use this Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner. There you go. Alright, it's not a big deal because I'm going to cover up with lipstick. And the lipstick I'm going to use is my Pat McGrath Fever Dream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I will catch you next time.